Hello everyone. In this video, we'll see some questions regarding ratio and proportion. Okay. First question is simplify 24 is to 36. This is a ratio, right? This is ratio, right? Ratio simplifying means ratio can be written as fraction, right? 24 is to 36, which can be written as 24 by 36. 12 2s are 12 3s are 36, so it can be simplified as 2 is to 3. Okay, next question, write two equivalent ratios of 5 is to 8. As you know, 5 is to 8 can be written as 5 by 8, so we can multiply same number on both sides. 5 2s are 10, 8 2s are 16, which can be written as 10 is to 16. Means 5 is to 8, just multiply 2 to or any number, will get 10 is to 16. This is equivalent fraction or equivalent ratio. Check whether 4 is to 7 is proportion to 8 is to 14. As we discussed in earlier videos, to check whether given ratios are in proportion, what we'll do, we'll just multiply mean terms and extreme terms and we'll equate them. What are mean terms? 7 into 8. What are extreme terms? 4 into 14. Just check it. 7 8s are 56. 14 4s are 56. Means the given ratios are in proportion. Proportion means two ratios. This is one ratio, this is one ratio. Both are equivalent ratios. That's it. Here the word problem. 6 books cost 300. Find the cost of 15 books. For proportions, first what we have to do, there are two proportions, right? One is direct, one is inverse. For direct, if one increases, the other quantity also increases. Here if one increases, other quantity decreases. Please do remember this. Direct means increase. Inverse means if one increases, decreases. If one decreases, other increases, like that. First you have to understand this. 6 books cost 300. Find the cost for 15 books. Means books are increasing. Whether cost will increase or decrease. Take a real example only. If you went to a shop and you bought a 6 books for 300 and suddenly you plan to buy 15 books, you will pay more money or less money? Definitely you will pay more money, right? Means books are getting increases, then cost should be increased, means direct proportion. How will we write direct proportion? A1 is to A2 proportion to B1 is to B2. These should be notebooks, these should be cost. 6 books, how much? 6 books cost is 300. For 15 books, how much? Let it be X. Multiply mean terms, multiply extreme terms and equate. 15 into 300, which is equal to 6 into X, right? If I take 6 this side, it becomes 15 into 300 divided by 6 equal to X. 6 ones are 6 50s are 15 5s are 75, 750. So 15 books 750 rupees. Okay. Here 12 workers complete a job in 18 days. How many days will 27 workers take? See, proportion, right? But whether it is direct or inverse depends on whether values are increasing, decreasing. Based on that we'll decide. Okay. Workers and time in days. Worker increases, what about time? Time will decrease. This is inverse proportion, right? 12 workers taking 18 days means 27 workers should take less time only. So how will we write? A1 into B1, which is equal to A2 into B2. Means A1 A2 must be workers or time, B1 B2 must be workers or time. Means if A1 is worker, A2 must be a worker. If B1 is a time, B2 must be a time. Here let me take A1 as worker only. A1 is 12 workers. 12 workers. B1 belongs to A1 means how much time does 12 workers taking? 18 days. A1 B1 which is equal to A2. How many workers? 27. We don't know how much time they are taking. We'll take it as X. So 12 into 18 divided by 27 which gives X. 3 4s are 3 9s are 9 1s are 9 2s are 4 2s are 8. See, they are taking 8 days. 8 days is the answer, right? See here, 12 workers increased to 27 workers, but 18 days reduced to 8 days. This is inverse proportion. Can you pause the video and try for this? Is it direct or inverse? Yes, it is direct. Basically, 9 kg rice is of 540 rupees. 15 kg rice, how much, right? We'll write A1 is to A2 proportion B1 is to B2. A1 is 9 kg, then it is 15 kg. For 9 kg it is 540. For 15 kg we don't know, let it be X. Multiply mean terms, multiply extreme terms and equate. 15 into 540 which must be equal to 9 into X. If I take 9 left side, 15 into 540 divided by 9 which gives X. 9 ones are 9 6 are 54 which gives 60. 15 6 are 90, 900 X. 15 6 are 90, this 0 which gives 900. Basically for 15 kg we have to pay 900 rupees. Can we try this? Is it direct or inverse? Yes, it is inverse. 8 taps fill a tank in 15 hours. How long will 20 tap takes? If taps are increasing, time will reduce, right? Means A1 into B1 which is equal to A2 into B2. Here A1 is 8 taps, A2 is 20 taps, B1 is 15 hours because this A1 belongs to B1. 8 taps taking 15 hours, so 8 taps 15 hours, 20 taps how much time, right? 18 15 8s are 120, 20 into X 20X, so 21s are 26 are, so X equal to 6 means 6 hours. Time is decreasing, taps are increasing, that's it. Can you identify whether each direct or inverse proportion? More speed, less time means speed increasing, time decreasing, it is inverse, right? Good. More notebook, more cost, both are increasing, good, it is direct. More workers, less time, one is increasing, another quantity is decreasing, inverse, good. What about last one? More petrol, more distance, good, direct proportion. If both are increasing, direct. If both are decreasing, direct only. If one increasing, one decreasing, if one decreasing, one increasing, then it is inverse. Okay, we'll continue in next video. Thank you.